Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore how to remove elements from the end of an array until a specified condition is met using JavaScript. Let's get started. This function is useful when we need to extract trailing elements that match a given condition. The function reverses the array and iterates through it to find where the condition stops being true, then slices and returns the relevant portion. By reversing the array, you can efficiently process elements from the last one and stop when the condition no longer holds. The function ensures that only trailing elements matching the condition are returned, making it useful for filtering tasks. This function is useful in real-world scenarios like filtering datasets, cross-sectional logs, or removing unnecessary trailing values. This method provides a clean and efficient way to extract elements from the end of an array based on the condition. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.